Many people don't realize just how important it is to us, but there is a direct relationship, cause and effect relationship between the quantity of energy we use per person and how well off we are, our income. The people in the US and Canada and Germany use 100 times more energy than the people in Bangladesh. And so they have 100 times the income. The world needs to use more energy to bring all those people out of poverty up to where the US and Germany and Canada are. That's not going to be easy, but that's what we have to do. And the only possible way we can get there is to use more nuclear energy. The US has used a lot of energy for a long time. In 1850, the United States per capita energy consumption was more than half the world today uses. And so that's one of the reasons the United States has been so successful. They've used so much energy for so long time. They've done so much with it. So it's important to get the energy consumption of everybody up, and that will increase people's income. Now, income is not just money in your pocket. Let me tell you what income really means. Income means clean water and air, safe and abundant food, sanitation, protection of the environment. If there's not enough energy, the environment will be destroyed. It's health care, it's medicine, and it's doctors and hospitals. It's housings, apartments, parks, camps, everything like that. It's schools and factories and air conditioning and all the things we like there. It's communication, newspapers, TVs. Energy increases income. They give us all of these things that we don't have otherwise. Now, there are countries in the world that don't have all these things. When you look at a picture of the world at night, North Korea just disappears because it's a very poor country, uses very little energy. But you look at South Korea next door and it's lit up like a Christmas tree, and so is Japan, okay? Because these people use lots of energy. They're well off, they're well educated, because that's what energy gives to us. Look at all these things. Somebody says we should reduce fossil fuels. Now, they're all here because of fossil fuels. Tell me which ones you would remove if you wanted to cut carbon emissions by 40%. And that's a very difficult question for anybody to answer. 85% of our fuel supply is fossil fuels. The more carbon emissions we have, the better off we are, okay? Now, a lot of people don't like that, but that is the reality, the way things are now. And the only way we can change that is to increase nuclear energy use dramatically.